Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here at TMC at 181 East Houston Street in the Lower East Side of Manhattan. But we're taking a look at a product that I've gotten a long time from Whole Foods. Now this is the pre-cut strawberries, and this is a product that is washed. You can wash it again, but you can get this usually like strawberries or blueberries or watermelon or maybe whatever have you. Now, one thing that I've seen that they've added is something that I'm not the biggest fan of. I was a fan when it was originally introduced, but now it's becoming harder and harder to find this the way that I want it. When I get this, I want this to be full of strawberries. I don't want anything else, but what they've started to do is put coconut pieces at the top. And when we first got it, maybe was it a year ago or so, or sometime in the summer, it was something nice. It was an addition, it was refreshing, it just added a little bit of a mixture. But now I can't find just pre-cut strawberries or well, you don't cut blueberries or just blueberries or anything. All of them have a little bit of coconut in them. And what I'm thinking, and this is definitely, if I were to think how much a coconut is, how much a strawberry is, it's a cost-cutting measure. They do everything by weight. They put this inside. It's about the weight of a strawberry, but it's kind of taking up a different space. I understand what they're doing. I wish that it was just strawberries, or just a certain kind of fruit, or just coconut, or at least have both side by side, because that would just be perfect. Because there are times where I like these coconut pieces. They do add, and they do make the experience better. It gives you variation. But when I just want strawberries, I just want to see strawberries. And at least the Whole Foods that I've seen here in Manhattan, the one here in the Lower East Side that I got this morning, and the one in Bryant Park, you can't find just strawberries. Now this may be this is not a gigantic problem, but this is just something of an opinion piece on this. The pre-cuts, they're great. If you get them the same day, they usually are fresh, they're ripe, they're ready to eat. I just like the convenience and portability of getting this on my way into work or on my way home, and I just want to have what I would like to have. So if you've seen that, maybe your Whole Foods somewhere else, because they're all across the country, maybe they do have variation, but maybe they've seen that people on the go here in New York, they just want a combination of everything, and maybe that just makes sense, and maybe I'm just a little bit different. Alright guys, this has been Matt for Creative. We've been taking a look literally at a box of pre-cut strawberries with coconut at the top from Whole Foods. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. I'm going to eat this happily because it is delicious food, and I will see you next time.